Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this power bank with 26,800 milliampere hour. It's an external mobile phone battery, for example. Not only for phones, of course. 22.5 watt power delivery, 20 watt power, that's fast charging power bank with USB-C, with micro USB, with USB-A and light emitted diode display. We have 3 outputs and 2 inputs. It's a portable charger for our smartphones, for our tablets, for our action cams, for our light or other devices which are powered using an USB source. That's cool, because here it comes with super fast charging. This portable power bank with an high capacity, that means 26,800 milliampere hour, can charge our phone at least 4 up to 6 times with a full charge. That's okay. That means you can be on vacation and there is no power supply, or you're on business trip for about 6 days, and you can reload your smartphone every day. It's suitable for business, for traveling, of course for going out. We don't have to worry about the low battery level of our phone. Due to the high capacity, the product weight is approximately 340 grams and 22.5 watt power delivery fast charging. The quick charging function of the portable power bank significantly shortened the charging time of our devices. With 22.5 watt PD via the USB-C output, the most mobile phones can be charged from 0% to 50 within 30 minutes. And 3 output ports and 2 input interfaces. Simultaneously charging of multiple devices are possible. The portable power bank has 2 times QC 4.0 output and 1 PD output. The QC 4.0 is an USB-A and the PD is an USB-C output. It can charge 3 devices at the same time, which is very convenient for us and our friends. The USB-C port can also use to reload the power bank. Okay, this is an input and output port and universal compatibility. The LCD display will show us, unlike the most power banks on the market that cannot charge energy-saving accessories, the portable power bank here works not only with all mobile phones and tablets around, but also with our small devices such as AirPods, Bluetooth headphones, fitness trackers, smartwatches, etc. The LCD display shows the current battery level and input and output status, so we no longer have to guess whether we need to charge it or maybe it's not charged. You can see it on the display. The model is K20 and it comes from ORCH on CH. ORCH. That's the brand's name, okay? The battery type is the lithium-ion polymer cell. The input type C is 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volts, 2 ampere, 12 volt, 1.5 ampere. The input micro USB port is 5 volt, 2 ampere, 9 volt, 2 ampere, 12 volt, 1.5 ampere. The output USB-A 1, 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volt, 2 ampere, 12 volt, 1.5 ampere, 5 volt, 4.5 ampere. SCP 2020.5 watt maximum, the same USB-A 2 port. The output type C is 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2.22 ampere and 12 volt 1.66 ampere, PD20 watt. The charging time is about 6 hours. We use a PD20 watt adapter. That can be your smart power delivery system. That can be your computer with USB port. It can be your USB socket. It can be another USB source as well. The working temperature is from 0 up to 50 degrees Celsius. The product size is 48 to 74.5 to 27 millimeter. As you can see, it is possible to see these dimensions are good. The product weight is approximately 430 grams. This product has an automatic detection and an identification function which can automatically identify the cell phone device as to power on the output. If it cannot automatically identify we have to turn it on. We press the switch button on the side, okay? Short press the button once, display the device power remaining when the power bank works in fast charging mode. Whenever input or output, there is a lightning mark off the screen. You will see that. It's no prop for it. Then, this power bank comes with one Type-C input port and one micro USB input port, and we connect the phone power adapter. We can charge for this power bank by any input ports. The percentage of the power flash when charging. When full charge, the display shows 100% and keeps on. When the power recharging rapidly, the lightning mark will light up on the LED screen. If swells or liquid leakage phenomenon occurs during working, we stop using it, okay? We charge for cell phones, for example. The power bank has two USB and one Type-C output. Though we connect the digital product with any output port, it can charge for the digital product. During the charging process of the digital product, the LED lights up and the lightning marks lights up when the digital device is charging quickly. When the digital product is full charge, we should stop supplying the power to the digital device. Then the LED display turns off and that's nice, isn't it? You can see it's really easy to use that. And this makes your makes you mobile, more mobile like before. This is the ORZECH, the ORZECH power bank with 26,800 milliampere. It's an external mobile phone battery with 25-watt power delivery, 20 watt fast charging. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.